What we look for if we're evaluating a potential gun defect claim is, did the firearm perform in an unintended manner? For example, did a safety device fail? Did the manual safety fail? Did an internal safety device fail? Did anything that would create the firearm create an unsafe condition that then caused the firearm to fire and potentially, injure or kill someone? The interesting thing, the thing that most people don't understand is we as Americans assume that any product that winds up in our hands has been evaluated or tested by some agency or arm of the federal government. For example, if you go to your closest big box store where you buy toys and you buy a little gun that kids play with that shoots little soft foam bullets, that little toy has been tested and evaluated by the Consumer Product Safety Commission. If you go and buy a little car that your kids, that you can recharge and they can ride around your driveway or ride down the sidewalks, those things have been tested by the Consumer Product Safety Commission. If you go and buy a firearm, it hasn't been tested by anybody from the United States government, period. Nobody tests them, okay? So these manufacturers, the only way we can hold them responsible for creating, manufacturing, distributing unsafe firearms is through the courts here in the United States. Whether it's state court action or federal court action, whether it's an individual case for personal injury or wrongful death, or whether it's a class action case, those are the ways that we can hold those manufacturers responsible. Firearm defect litigation is a little different than regular product liability work. We have experience, we have over 10 years of experience handling, litigating actively all over the United States, from Miami to Albuquerque to Minneapolis to Virginia, back here to Alabama. We've handled firearm defect cases. We're not anti-gun lawyers. We're anti-bad gun lawyers. I've been shooting and hunting my entire life. We want to pursue manufacturers that manufacture and distribute unsafe firearms here in the United States. We've been actively litigating these cases for over 10 years. We think we have the experience, and that's what counts in these cases. So that's why you should call our firm.